Previously using Sage, we used to have a lot of stock related issues, but now we have so much more control and insight that we rarely have any invoice related errors. My name is Kit and I am one of the directors of Bro7hers Brewery based in Salford in Manchester. We started this business 4 years ago. We are literally 7 brothers from the same family. Brewing has always been in the family as well. Our dad was a keen home brewer and we recognised that the craft beer scene was growing rapidly, so we just all decided to get together over a beer and decided to just go for it. Our target customers are people who drink craft beer. We sell to mainly craft beer bars, hotels and restaurants. We also have our own bar in Manchester city centre. What differentiates us from our competitors is that we try to be as clear with beer as we possibly can. All of our core beers are called exactly what the beer is. Our core business values are transparency and honesty. We try to be as clear about beer as we possibly can throughout the whole process. Prior to using Unleashed, we had little idea of stock availability other than doing a physical stock count. The main reason for switching to Unleashed was its ability to batch track every item throughout the brewing process. We heard about Unleashed through our Zero accounting software. We noticed that it was an integrated product. We use Unleashed for sales, inventory and production. Production is hugely important to us and Unleashed tells us exactly what our products cost down to the individual can. A crucial feature of Unleashed is its ability to batch track. Every keg, can and bottle is batch tracked, which gives us full visibility. Unleashed makes it much easier to work out our sales margins and analyse our production costs. Another way that Unleashed has benefited us is that it has an API, which means that we can write our own industry-specific reports. Unleashed has allowed us to save time in many areas, which has allowed us to increase productivity. Our beer duty report used to take us a whole day to compile. We can now produce it using a bespoke report at the touch of a button. I would 100% recommend Unleashed. It's been a perfect fit for us and its integration with Zero has been really smooth. Unleashed has made my life so much easier. In the past, it wasn't uncommon for me to be up till all hours writing reports, and now, using Unleashed, that's a thing of the past.